The Northeast Falls Creek Plan is really a reconceptualization of the last remaining undeveloped piece of the kind of iconic Vancouver waterfront. The challenge here really was given by the City Council to essentially tear down the one remnant piece of freeway fabric that exists in Vancouver. I think the problem we were trying to solve was multifaceted, but it had to do with recapturing the shoreline and doing that with development paying the cost. It had to do with adding to the affordable housing stock and creating lively waterfront spaces. I think what we discovered along the way was that there were marginalized communities for which this was almost sacred ground.
There was a Black community of what was called Hogan's Alley, where many of them worked, created a life, and became very much the heart of the Black community. But then came in the plan for the viaduct. Literally the off-ramp is where the Black community was. And they were displaced and erased, actually.
We kind of discovered along the way the opportunity for cultural healing in Vancouver, because it turns out this patch of ground is really the gateway to Canada for the Chinese population, the Black Canadian population, and as well the First Nations here. We've really engaged the First Nations in the design of the waterfront part with a design that acknowledges and educates about the loss of the natural environment. So kind of the magic in the process really turned out to be less the physical building and more the sort of cultural repair and healing.
The city came to us and said, that block is under your stewardship. And I think this goes a long way for saying, welcome to you Black citizens. We embrace you and we love you.
Northeast Falls Creek Plan is an opportunity to demonstrate Vancouver's traditions of city building, but with a new twist.
To put into place some of the economic models that would allow our community to participate in wealth creation.
To pump up the level of affordable housing.
To demonstrate the tremendous value of diversity.
This is the new urban environment that we're creating in North American cities, and it's pretty cool.